Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Coinbase Commerce for US customer checkout beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Coinbase Commerce website. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Once you've created your account, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. Now, find the Settings option in the dashboard. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Checkout section. You will see different options for payment processing. Select the option that allows you to enable cryptocurrency payments for customers. Make sure to customize the settings according to your preferences. Next, you'll need to link your Coinbase Commerce account to your Coinbase account. For this, go to the API Keys section in your account settings. Generate a new API key if you haven't already done so. Make sure to copy the API key and keep it secure. Head back to the checkout settings in Coinbase Commerce. Enter your API key in the designated field. Complete any additional required fields, such as the currency and supported cryptocurrencies. Save your changes to finalize the integration. Now, proceed to test the checkout process using a dummy transaction. Ensure everything is working correctly from the customer's perspective. Once testing is complete, you're ready to enable it for your live customers. Check back periodically to ensure everything functions smoothly. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Coinbase Commerce for US customer checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.